Right, I'm recording. Okay, so today we are in a very interesting place. And today, as you can see by the title of this video, we're going to be checking out Hyperia construction at Thorpe Park. If you just want to skip to the bit where the roller coaster is actually being built, then obviously just fast forward. So a bit about myself then. So my name's Jeff and this is Mario. And this is...
My name's actually Theme Park Crazy Dude.
as was known on South Park years ago.
My name is Scott the Casino.
Hell yeah it is. That's right.
Hyperia Leon.
That's right. So yeah, so I would have made this video to be like, you know, just skip to the good bits and that. But the thing is, this is actually quite an interesting thing for me and Mario. See, we've been kind of like not really totally into roller coasters enough to actually be like have our own channels and that. But we've always followed the likes of, say, you know, Dominic Gardner, Jack Silkstone, Theme Park Worldwide, etc. We've kind of been like lurkers, as to say. And we used to be on the forums years ago. So yeah, today we're going to take a nice little walk down to Monk's Walk for the first time ever. And actually, for us, it's been a bit of an interesting journey because we've actually, I'd say, well, we've never been here. So actually, the funny thing for us is we don't really know how to get to this place. So we've pulled up on this little road here, put it on Google Maps, and now we're going to negotiate our way down the path. I think I might. Can I see stealth there? No, I think that's just some rugby post or something. Anyway, right. So I'm gonna put the camera down, and yeah, let me grab my coffee, and we will head out to the one and only Hyperia. See you in a second. I said left down Ferry Lane.
Where the hell is Ferry Lane?
Ferry Lane is this one.
This one.
Yep. I had to walk into a dead end, so we might be lost already, but hopefully we're going the right way. Sorry, are your feet aching already? Hell yeah.
Drink some prime.
Look at the size of that. That's Alright then. Okay, so it seems like a bit of Monk's Walk's flooded, but looks like if we go round this lake, then we kind of end up looping back around to the entrance. Is that what's right? There's some of you who might be watching this and you actually know exactly where we are and if we're going the right way or not. Looks like Arthur's already given up on walking. It's alright, at least Mara gets a workout. Arthur gets to rest his feet. And
Path that way or that way?
yeah, I just get to walk, I guess. I don't know. What's that?
You go this way or that way?
I think it's this way because we need to handrail the lake. Let me stop videoing and I'll Google Maps it. Hold on. Right, so we just messed up for the second time. Basically, if you're trying to get to Monk's Walk for the first time, do not go left when you get to this bit because there's an old bridge and you can't get across it. You got to go right. You got to go down this way. So what? Sorry. You've clearly watched many videos of this. So if you were to talk about your favourite theme park channels, who would it be?
Me?
Yeah.
Theme park channels.
Yeah. Like UK theme park YouTubers.
It's got to be.
Theme park dinosaurs.
Yeah. It's got to be Sean Sandbrook.
Sean Sandbrook, yeah. Classic.
And
But I do
my
like,
one- and my one is called. And my favourite one is Cat's Farm.
Oh, I bet it is, mate.
So you do like Joe, Jack Silverstone.
Jack Silverstone, yeah. Didn't you do the Hyperia? Didn't you say Hyperia 50,000 times? Was that him or was it someone else? I can't remember. It's him, fair enough. I really wonder if we're going to bump into someone today. Right, so as you can see, I've got this hat on, which I dropped on the floor, so I look like a right farmer. I'm actually really hoping we bump into someone today. That'd be really cool. This Starbucks has turned really cold. Yeah, because I don't think I've ever actually bumped into an actual roller coaster enthusiast. So I think to actually speak to someone who really knows what they're talking about, that'd be really cool. So who knows? Might bump into somebody, might not do, but well, either or. Anyway, I think we're getting close by now. If Mario's predictions are correct, we're going to turn right. Maybe we will walk under a subway. And then I think, according to Google Maps, we should be there. Alright. Right, this looks familiar. This looks familiar. You know, there's one thing I'll say, right? me and Mario, we've been following, you know, Thorpe Park construction updates. I mean, man, since, well, we became really close friends when we were 14 years old. So we were watching the updates of Stealth. And I remember it's 2006, and obviously we live in Southampton, so we were never able to actually, well, we could technically do it, but we never in the closed season actually got on a train and came down here and actually saw anything being built. And it's took us all the way until 32 years old. Well, I'm 31. Mara, are you 31 or 32 now?
I'm 32 now, mate.
32, Jesus, yeah. So Mara's 32 now. And yeah, what I'd say is that, you know, if you'd never actually just got out of the house and, you know, just if you seem to be a bit of a lurker like we were, I'd say hopefully this just inspires you, you know, to get out, get in a car, get on a bus, get on a train or whatnot, and just come down here. I mean, sure, you're not going to get to go on any rides, but it's still a decent day out. I mean, we're having great fun here. Getting a bit lost, getting a bit muddy.
What about the checkout UK's tallest roller coaster vehicle?
Yeah, hell yeah. And Arthur's obviously having a great time getting covered in mud, aren't you, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Right, so it looks like we're going the right way now. I think we're onto something here. We're definitely getting closer to it. Yeah, right. You know, here's a funny thing. That's it, the famous red bridge, what we've seen for so many years. See, his interesting thing is that I don't know what I'm finding more interesting, the fact we're about to see Hyperia, or the fact, or I don't know if Monk's Walk is actually more interesting in general.
I think in a minute it's all about Monk's Walk.
Yeah, it is.
No, don't do that.
Okay, so after having a nice chat with some of the local fishermen, we are finally here. Look at that. I can't seem to focus on it. Hold up. Bloody hell, look at that.
That really does look bigger in person.
Okay, that looks really something. That is something special.
That's going to be...
So that's the Outer Bank, whatever you call it. Yeah. Is there actually an official word for that yet? An official term for that inversion? Right, let's see what's been built. Wow, look at this. This is awesome. And remember, this is the first time we've seen it in person, so it's funny, I'm talking as if loads of people are going to be watching this video. In reality, it will probably get like 3 views. Wow, awesome. Look at this. Oh, that is incredible. Wow. That's fantastic. So obviously we've got the last, so that's the crazy outer bank turn thingamajiggy. That is the, I don't know what you want to call that. What's that? The last, is that the last little turn before going into the station, I think? Sorry, I wasn't recording very well there. And this, I think, is what might have just been completed. So perhaps the last little bit of track has just gone in on that bit. I'll tell you what, let me put this, my recording's really terrible right now, I'm behind the trees. Let me just put the camera down and I'll get a better view of it. Hold up. Okay, so I think I've got a slightly better angle here. Maybe I need to go a bit further down, but this is obviously, what part of the ride's this, Mario?
That is coming down from the first, so you do your first inversion, that's
Yeah.
from the first drop, and then you go down here
Yeah.
into the unique twist element.
That is incredible. You know, my first impressions, I don't know about yours, but it's considerably larger than what I thought it was going to look like. It's amazing.
There's trim brakes coming down.
Yeah. It's incredible. Wow. This is awesome. Just getting a really great view. This element here, obviously, I guess the last bit of track, or one of the last bits of tracks, has just been installed. And we're getting a fantastic view of this last element. It's absolutely brilliant. Sorry, mate. Yeah, first impressions, this is definitely considerably larger than what I thought it was going to be. Well, obviously it's as large as I knew it was going to be, but actually seeing it, and also I can see what people are talking about with the size of these supports. Yeah, it really is something else. Amazing. And we have actually bumped into Dominic Gardner, and what was your name, mate?
Josh.
Josh, nice to meet you, mate. How you doing?
It's my first time seeing it.
That's your first time seeing it? Oh, awesome. Same.
Last year.
It's amazing, right? It looks brilliant.
Not bad going in there.
Oh, awesome. How you doing, mate? All right?
Hello, mate. All good,
Hello, mate. Okay, so we just finished talking to Dominic Gardner and a couple others. We'll chuck that photo in. Really nice blokes, actually, all of them. Nice bunch of guys. And if they're watching this, we really appreciate the work you're obviously doing, keeping us entertained on our days off. But yeah, this is a really good view right here. So yeah,
So many bits.
obviously got the station right here. Hopefully they put some theming on this. It does look a bit bland at the moment, but I'm sure they're going to do something about that. And then yeah, that's that first turn out of the station. I can see how it's really going to set the theme for the ride. But that element right there as well. I don't know what that's called. But yeah, the size of this thing is just incredible. And to think the lift hill is going to be considerably higher than that is, yeah, mind-boggling.
Why is that bit?
Look at the angle of the outer bank turn there as well.
I know, I was just looking at that. It almost looks like a perfect 45 degrees, doesn't it? Hmm.
That piece is the white bit.
Alright. We are absolutely infatuated by this roller coaster. Arthur is amazed by logs.
Stand there.
Bless him. So yeah, basically that concludes our little adventure to Hyperia. Obviously, in terms of update, it's obviously this giant piece right here. I'm sure I videoed it earlier. I'm sure the other guys will get it in their vlogs. A bit better than mine, obviously. And we'll have you in our vlog, mate. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And yeah, it's been a really awesome day. What's your final thoughts, Maz?
Looks incredible.
Yeah.
Can't wait to ride it. And,
Yeah.
Looks so much bigger in person.
It does, doesn't it? Absolutely, yeah, I agree.
Yeah. The colour scheme as well. Really nice. I like the golden one.
Hell yeah. Yeah, it looks really nice, really smart.
Yeah, the station looks pretty basic at the minute, but
I was saying this earlier, but I'm sure they're going to put some sort of theming on that.
I think the front bit of it, the bit we can't see, is got a little dot net.
Oh, is it? Oh, fair enough. Okay.
Jacks up there.
Well, actually, I guess it makes sense because maybe I'm wrong, but perhaps not passengers. What's the word? Passengers for the trains? People getting on the trains. Hold up, Arthur. But I guess whatever it is, people who are actually going to be people who are going to be riding the train, I guess, will be approaching from this side. So perhaps this actual side, people aren't actually going to be getting on. So maybe this side won't be themed, and all the theme is going on the other side. Who knows? I don't actually know what the theme is going to be like for this ride. To be fair, I haven't seen much. But anyway. Well themed or not, regardless, this will be a fantastic ride. The experience will definitely live up to it. Right, anyway, we've got to negotiate our way back to the car. I don't think I've got much else to video on this, but yeah. Hopefully, whoever's watching this, if this video gets any views or not, if you made it all the way to the end, thanks for watching. Don't subscribe to my channel because none of it is roller coaster related.
Don't smash the like button.
Don't smash the like button. Yeah, stay away from me. But yeah, cheers for watching and goodbye. Say goodbye, Arthur. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching, all you 2 viewers.
Hell yeah! Thanks, guys. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.